anybody's in the house that want to use expensive sounds in your church keyboard, for me here I have Yamaha PSR E463, and I might want to use a Roland keyboard sound or CFX or some expensive worship pads. So this app does that for you. The name of the app is SoundPad. You can see the picture on Play Store, so you can download it there. So all you need is just a printer cable. This printer cable, you're going to get it, and then you have this OTG cable also. So this OTG cable, yours can be direct OTG cable. My own is a power hub. So you have this your other end of the printer cable, and you are going to plug it in. So you have this. So I'm using Type C. That's why this is here. So you can buy the one that is your phone compatible. So the next thing is to create a project. Let me create a project, a new project, and I'll just name it worship. And then I'll create the project. So I'm going to mute all this. If you play the sound on the phone, you'll be able to hear it. Now, I'm going to plug this in, and then the keyboard, the phone itself will recognize that you've plugged in an OTG. So here is where you have to make a one-time payment if I've already made that payment. So you're going to make a one-time payment for the engine, the sound engine that comes with this app, so that it can send the audio back to your keyboard. So your output from your keyboard can now be sent to your mixer, to anywhere you want it to go. So the app does the work for you, takes in your MIDI notes, patch it with the SoundFonts, and then send it back to your uh, keyboard. So I'm going to press OK, and then if I press anything from this keyboard, it's going to be the sound that is coming from here. So what I need to do again is you have to go to your function, and then you go to local on your keyboard. Your functions, you go to local, and you're going to turn off the local sound. You turn it off, and then you can now hear the sound that's coming from here. So there's a default key here, you can see. So this is the default key. Now I want to load some expensive sound font. You just click on the options, these three dots here, and then you click on load sound. You're going to choose load sound fonts. The best thing about this app is you can just click on the store. Every sound that is here is free. So you can see general users, the flute, the CFX, the Node, black upright, the worship, clean guitar, notepad, worship pad. All these are available on the app. You just download it. Whenever it finishes downloading, you find them here on your SoundFonts. So they are all available. So they are all free on the app. You can download it. So far, you already make payments for the audio engine when you plug in your keyboard. So you can activate that. So now I'm going to use this CFX sound. You can hear that. I have to preview it before I harm it. So now I'm going to click on the keyboard icon so that it can harm it to that particular channel. So it's on the key. So you can hear now. So you can hear this now. I want to add more channels. So for now, I have this oh, my battery is low. So I have this channel that is active. Now I want this other channel. There's kick there. I'm going to load another sound. Now I want a notepad. Let me preview it. Good. I will ham it to that channel. And if you don't want to be going back and forth, just swipe this to the left. You will be able to see the assigned to. So I'll click on it. It will list all my channels. I click on the snare. I want a string there. I want this worship string. I will ham it to that channel. And then I can go to another channel. I ham it again. And then I pick, okay, let me just pick a ground piano. Good. I have this grand piano there. So let me go back to my mixer. I have these 4 channels active. So, but 3 are muted. So if I want the pad, I will unmute it. And I have this. So you can reduce it. You can, based on your own taste, what you want. So you do that. And then I unmute the worship pad also. So that's a good string. I will reduce the volume of that string. And then good. And then I will unmute this grand piano too. Good. And reduce it a little bit. Now I have these 4 channels working, so I can play with them. So you'll be able to mix so much sounds together, to create the ambience, the atmosphere for your worship and all that. And also you play SMJ style. You can come here and put in different sounds together. You just create a new project for that particular praise sound, import the SF2 sound fonts that you need, match them together. You can put in as much sound together. You hear it. When you're good with it, you save it. So you just plug and play. That's all you need. So the last thing is the sustain pedal. So this is my sustain pedal. It's already plugged to my keyboard. This sustain pedal will be recognized by the app. So all I will need is just press it. Then I hold my sustain. So that's how it works. I remove my leg, the sustain is gone. So I can use my sustain pedal with it. So you can use it to hold the atmosphere. So you can use it to create the atmosphere that you want and then mix things together and make it work out for you. So you are the master in this particular app. So you can download the app on Play Store. For App Store is not live yet on App Store, but on Play Store is very, very active. So you can use it in your church, in a play out thing and any other thing. So thank you. I'll be bringing more update on this app as I explore more.